Reit te wel, ti'n cael overdose o John Wayne heddiw.
Ti clasur o lun o'n? O, ti glasur arall. Hwna'n un o'i ffilms cynnar o fi.
Fel awr ti'n gweld dy hunan pan ti'n meddwl amdan dy hun?
O, fel adwy.
Fel awr wyt ti?
Ne.
Yn lloft. Hello there.
Oh, hi
How
there.
are you?
My name's Anita Swift.
And my name is Will.
I'm Aeron.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I
meet.
hear you're from out of town.
We are,
Yeah.
And you're
certainly.
big Western fans, huh?
Definitely, yeah.
So you've heard of John Wayne.
We've heard about him, yeah.
A few times.
So he was my grandfather. I was...
No way.
No way.
Yeah, I was the first grandchild, right? A lucky girl, I
Wow.
say.
Wow.
Yeah, come on in.
wow,
I have
thanks.
John Wayne's youngest daughter is here, and another grandchild here. So come on with us, and maybe, I don't know if you like a little taste of whiskey, but...
Well, we never say no to a tipple. Okay. We'll follow you.
Okay.
It's very nice to meet you.
Hello, how are you? I'm Will. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Aeron.
I'm not going to lie to you, I'm a little bit starstruck.
We both are. We didn't
Well,
expect.
so are we.
I mean, what do you say in Wales?
Iechyd da.
Iechyd da.
Iechyd
Iechyd da. Good health, in other words.
Good health. How do you like Texas?
It's like the bourbon, it's good. That's good stuff.
You guys aren't messing around.
Oh, we went to, oh.
That's how John Wayne drank it, right?
What's a hero, legend, icon, isn't he? I think.
We think so. We're
I
biased.
mean, everyone
Is
thinks
living
so.
proof here, you
No,
know.
you're not biased. The world thinks the same. We should go and see that.
The museum.
Yeah, let's go and see the museum.
Thanks for the drinks.
Thank you very much. Wel, os fi oedd na pinch me moment erioed, ynde wel, honna oed, ynde.
Dyn ni wedi cwrdd â plant John Wayne. Dwi edrych ymlaen i ddweud wrth dad am y peth. A fi'n eisiau bod o'n eistedd lawr a ddim yn yfed te neu rhywbeth na fi ddod i tagu. Fi ddim yn coelio ar fasio beth.
Dad neu jealous, dwi'n gyda fyd.
O'n neis.
Live like John Wayne. Dwi'n mynd David.
Ti?
The hell I will.
Ti'n dweud hynna?
Ad o, an.
Ie, ond gen i fo leisans yn neud yna.